Hey guys, we're going beyond the house, inside the woods, and beyond the fences. Right, sorry. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, there is a ball. Just found a Nerf ball. That's all we found.
And a can. And a pickle food.
Garbage, ice, garbage. Mostly garbage. I swear. We're gonna be searching everywhere beyond the house. Hey, what the hell is that? Hey, there's... Is that a chair? With buckets? Oh yeah, did I forget to mention guys? This is gonna be a long video. Holy crap, is that a basketball? Worn down basketball. Like, yep. I did. See, never seen it. Okay, let's just keep on going. What? What? I'm searching all around. I think this is gonna be a season. This is just part one. Beaver? Okay. Beaver. Hey, is that a beaver country? Hey, there's a pond here. Let's keep on looking. Anyways, all my subscribers, go ahead and promote Nike. Just do it, please. If you have Nike shoes on, just thank you. Buy some Nike shoes, got some awesome drip. Well, anyways, back to the video.
Is it real Nike?
I don't know.
Because some people provide off-brand Nike.
Hey, there's some beaver bites in the tree. Look, probably they chipped it off. Oh God, I almost slipped to the water. Okay. Freaking pond here. Hey, yeah, basket. Why is there a basket all the way over here? Do y'all guys see that? Yes. I don't know if you guys can see all this. I'm seeing. Hey, want me to chew on that? Hey. Don't. Just don't. Yeah, those snails last summer here.
We tried to sell this shell.
Pretty cool shells, but then we just that they had
We tried to sell them.
snail poop. Well, we should get back. This was just part one. You know what? Let's keep on looking. Cause I know my way back. Come on. Keep on going. Okay, let's just keep on going. I swear I seen like a orange thing out of the background.
I did?
Yeah, I did.
I think you said I saw.
Yeah, I did. Okay, let's just keep on looking. None. See none. None else here. This was just the side of the house. Guess how the other side is. Probably gonna be more interesting. Just keep on going. Bunch of tree branches. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing. It's an orange. It's an orange thing. Get back. Get back. Oh god. Oh god. Holy crap. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. 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 That was right. Oh god. That's part one.
Technically part 2.
See you later. See you next time when I upload. Probably just a bit later. Probably on the same day, but see.